It's feet kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I really hope everyone is doing good. If this is your first time, welcome to my channel. My name is Crown K. Thank you so much for stopping by. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always rocking with me. So guys, y'all already know, I feel like I get out of breath every time I do an intro. But yeah guys, y'all see me wake up, you already know what the deal is guys. Today's video I will be sharing a wig with y'all, and guys, this wig is with bangs. Yes sis, the bangs, not the bangs. That's what we'll be doing today. This hair was sent to me by MyFirstWig, and shout outs to MyFirstWig for sending me this hair. So let me get the specs on this hair for y'all real quick. So guys, this hair is their lace front OLIVIA wig, and it is a Malaysian straight human hair wig, and it got bangs, 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 and it is 20 inches, 130% density, and the cap size says size 1, and it does have adjustable elastic bands on the inside. But yeah guys, let's get into it. Y'all already know that MyFirstWig is one of my favorite companies. Like I love everything about MyFirstWig. Like if you've never done wigs before, you got no idea about wigs, I feel like they provide everything that you need. It's so beginner friendly, hence the name MyFirstWig. So everything you need to get into doing your own wigs, they send it to you. So this is the box guys that it came in. Let me open it. This is the packaging, really nice. You can store your wigs in this. I did get some free gifts with MyFirstWig guys. You can buy the little the little additives that you need to do your wig. So I got one of these. This is really good to get when you're getting your wigs, especially if it's your first time doing a wig. It comes with rat tail comb, clips, duck clips, and hairpins. Definitely little tools that you would need when you're installing your wig. So these are the these are the things that come with the wig, because I think it is at a little price, I don't know. And they sent me a little mask with the stars. I like this. I'm gonna be wearing this outside because that's really cute. And then they sent me a manual talking about their zodiac collection, and they have different wigs for your different signs, so you can check that out. And I have reviewed, I think I have reviewed a wig from their zodiac collection before, and those are pretty cool. But yeah, let's get into this video. It's pretty straightforward, it's pretty quick. I'm not gonna do all the extra talking because it's not necessary. This wig is literally straight to the point. Bangs are the easiest. And if you don't really know about wigs like that, I feel like a wig with a bang is awesome for you to start out with. This is the wig outside of the packaging. It looks a little crazy, but we're gonna fix it because it was in the packaging for however long. Scalp area, and it looks really good. It really does look like scalp. That's where the bangs are. That's the parting for the bangs. It's a lace frontal all the way at the front. So this is what the side is looking like. You do have the adjustable straps on the insides, as well as combs, and also this extra elastic band. But yeah guys, this is the hair. I'm just gonna get straight into the tutorial. There's really not much else to say. I gave you the specs and everything. So yeah, let's get into the whole styling portion. Okay guys, so when I pull the hair all the way forward, if I was lining it up with where I would actually spray the lace, these bangs are a little bit too long. I don't know. The bangs are a little too long, but what I'm gonna do is, if I can talk, I'm going to spray the lace at the sides on my head, and then I'm gonna trim the bangs. Yeah, the hairline looks pretty good. So I'm just gonna spray the sides. I'm gonna tuck everything to the back and then just like get the sides together, and then we'll worry about the bangs. I'm gonna cut those afterwards. Guys, the bangs are just so long, and I'm trying not to cut them because I don't know if I'll get the same shape that it came with, but it's just not working out. I pulled the hair all the way back, like at the top, just so the bangs could get shorter. But sis, I'm gonna cut them because this is annoying. I can't see. So we're gonna cut them just a little bit. Guys, I think I did a really good on cutting like the bangs to, you know, like more frame my face to more. Okay guys, I think I did pretty good in trimming the bangs to like frame my face and suit me more versus how long it was when it originally came. So yeah, the look, the bangs look really cute, and this is how I like my bangs, like wispy and just like cute and realistic. I don't like the heavy bangs. I don't know. Once upon a time, like when the Nicki Minaj bang was trending, like I used to be on that, but realistically, this is how I like my bangs, like wispy and natural looking. And what I like, look at the sides. Because I did that bad boy down, we can have a half up, half down moment. If that's what I want to do, we can definitely like do a half up, half down style. And I am just using this wax stick. That's their flyaway tamer, just to, you know, get the flyaway so the top looks really nice and flat. I'm gonna take my hot comb and like run through like the top right here so it lays even better. But guys, I really love how my hair is looking. Okay guys, so we've come to the end of this video. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like, This hair though, this hair is bomb. It needs like little to no work. You might have to like adjust your bangs just to your liking and to frame your face, because everybody's face is different, and that didn't really like take a lot out of me. I just added the rubber band and just like snipped it a bit, and you see it turned out pretty good. We're looking cute or whatever. Guys, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you're interested in this unit, be sure to check out the description box below so you can see like all the details and links to this hair. Thank you so much, MyFirstWig, for sending me this hair to review for y'all. I really have nothing bad to say about this wig. It flat irons really well. I didn't even use heat protectant. I have not added any like serum or anything to my hair, and look at how shiny it looks. It looks healthy shiny. Like it just looks like a really healthy hair, and I'm loving that. Like there's no product, there's nothing on this hair, honey, and we are surfing. Bruh, I can never talk. Like, I'm tired of me. But yeah, guys, please like this video, please leave a comment down below, and most importantly, please subscribe to my channel, turn your post notifications on so you never miss when I do upload. But yeah, guys, please give this video a thumbs up. Please comment down below, like let me know that you heard when I said comment. Please comment down below, comment CK gang down below so I know that you were part of the fam, you're part of the gang, you know, gang. I cannot do gang signs, so ignore that. But yeah, guys, please comment, please like, please subscribe, and most importantly, turn your post notifications on so you never miss when I do upload. And before I forget, let me like just shout out someone real quick. So guys, my crown crush goes to Alexis Wyatt, and yeah, thanks so much, girl, for showing love on my video. I'll insert her comment somewhere on the screen, maybe over here or over here, but it'll be on the screen. Thank you so much, love, for like, you know, showing me mad love. You can be my crown crush, guys. Like just hit the like button, spam my comments. Like what you spam me, I see y'all, so I definitely will give you a shout out. Thank you guys so much. I love like each and every one of you. Like I love you guys so much, you have no idea. But thank you guys, I love you, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.